Meaning of eager beaver.
Eager beaver.
Eager beaver.
Eager beaver.
Eager beaver. Eager beaver is an idiom used to describe someone who is enthusiastic and eager to work hard. This phrase is often used to describe someone who goes above and beyond what is expected in order to achieve success. Such a person may be described as motivated, energetic, and willing to take on additional responsibilities. The term eager beaver is commonly used in the workplace to describe individuals who are highly productive and willing to put in extra effort to achieve their goals. Overall, an eager beaver is someone who is driven to succeed and motivated to do whatever it takes to get there.